friends, good evening all of you. First and foremost, I would like to thank Mr. Mukesh Goswami sir who has given us the golden opportunity to describe our topic in front of all of you. Now, at first I would like to explain my topic. English is the language most used in research. In the present scenario, English has become one of the most important academic and professional tools. English is recognized as undoubtedly the most important language for the academic writing. English is widely considered as predominantly used for writing academic and professional tools, scientific researches, paperworks. English as the global academic facilitates the international mobilities of young researchers, Gradall D 2006. English is used in everyday situation or general purposes is quite different from English used in academic writing. English is widely considered as predominantly used for writing academic and professional tools. English has been the language of choice for many international scholars and journals. Researchers should have commanded over the knowledge of English in order to express their ideas, knowledges, and opinions. English is also important for in business profile. So, Saloni, can you explain about it?
Yes, of course. Good evening to all of you. I am Saloni Kumari and today I would like to discuss about why English is important for business profile. So, as we all know that English is globally used in communication and business setting. It is one of the most spoken and written language in the world. So, if you don't know it well, you won't be able to effectively communicate with many other people. Business English is a part of English for specific purposes and can be considered a specialism within English language. It is also important for better communication with your colleagues, clients and customers. If you work in an office, it means you have a teamwork and collaboration. You will have to meet up with client or consult with customers, and that will be difficult if you don't know how to speak English and if you don't understand English language very well. So, being proficient in English, specifically business English phrase, will help you to adequately express and represent yourself in front of many other people. Business English is important for effective communication and having the skill to conduct a successful presentation, send a professional email and conduct meeting in a skillful way show that you are qualified and experienced. Now Anushka, can you tell why English is important for promotion in job?
Yeah, sure, why not? English is helpful for getting promotion in job. Use your English skill in today's job market, having international experience and other languages. What is the required to just get your foot on the door? But it's when you are able to utilize your skills that you show your boss you have lot more to offer. Being able to communicate effectively English can significantly increase your chance to finding better job, negotiating higher salaries and advancing in your career. English is the first step to getting ahead in your career. You can also contribute your ideas and solution. Almost every today's job demands the English communication skills. So may you explain about your next point?
Yes, why not? As we all know that English is one of the most widely spoken language in the world. It is often considered the international language of travel. English is spoken as a first language in many countries including United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia and the New Zealand. It is also widely spoken as a second language in many countries like India, Singapore and the Philippines. Knowing English opens up travel opportunity to go anywhere. So, the important language for travelers, making it easier to communicate with people from diverse linguistic background. It helps you to communicate with locals, ask for directions, order food and handle various travel-related situations. Many guidebooks, maps and travel-related apps are available in English. Understanding English allows you to access and use these resources. If you are a long-time traveler, having English language skills can open door to job opportunities in many countries like teaching English as a foreign language or working in a tourism industries. Thank you.
At last, I would like to conclude that the universal communication language is English. English enables individuals to connect with peoples from diverse cultures and backgrounds, fostering international understanding and collaboration. Thank you. If you like this video, then like, subscribe and share.
Thank you.